his angle between the defenders and the space right there from the field. He tried to smash it behind the goal. I thought that was a big father to go. And the goalkeeper comes off, he blocks. But I'll have to credit Evan Nielsen because as a striker, the anticipation level is what is going to drive into the box. You could sense that, okay, Semenyo has the ball. He was expecting that Semenyo was going to square the ball to him, but Semenyo was going to go. And the rebound was where his hard work came to fruit. Because if he had backpedaled, that opportunity would have been wasted. And he kept on running. As soon as the goalkeeper makes that save, luckily for him, he was on the right path to put the rebound into the box.
I'm going to just show this here because we're having a conversation about this. And I just mentioned something very serious, very interesting. Now, while they were fortunate, which is where good luck came their way, Semenyo could have just put the pass. There was a true ball right in front of him. The best option was just roll it into Evan Nielsen. Like, we were talking up what to say about the first one to get from you. Yeah, well, you see that opportunity. I did see the opportunity, and I don't really think that we should be complaining about. We're not complaining about them. We're trying to look at the options that. While we had options, yes, we had all kinds of players. I know he's a player in form. We can really get to that point. They're telling me he's a man in form. That's exactly. Now, aside from being a man in form, what do you want to do? What do you want to like players that they have responsibility and you want them to score? Does he shoot and strike well enough? Yes, he said. It wasn't on his favorite. I wasn't on his favorite promoter. The fact that that pass could have come in on that side.
He shot farther away from goal. That was why the goalkeeper was able to come out. I thought he would have driven the ball to the goal. If you want to score, you want to take that shot from there. And not like the shot had a lot of venom to beat the goalkeeper.
You need to understand two things. First off, he's not one-on-one goalkeeper.
He's not ready to be shot outside of the box.
The one of his favorite one, yeah, he's got one defender in front of him, one behind him. The goalkeeper is off his line. If you're a striker in that position, you're forward in that position, your first thought is to try and score. Because here's the thing, again, if you don't shoot, you're not going to score, number one. But yeah, parents, the whole idea of team sports is you have your teammates open.
He saw that you see on the left, your left.
Because that just pointed that out, and all I had to do was look at the screen again. When they were so trying, I've never been a fan of castigating strikers for shooting. Your job is to shoot. If that ends up in the back of the net, you don't do it. So the goalkeeper makes a great save because it's almost point blank. But Evan Nielsen did really well. More people can send it back. Alright, okay, so let's move forward now because what Bournemouth did was ensure that they pressed their opponent really high in this game. There was a second goal down. VAR was called in because, according to what we gathered, the semi-automated offside wasn't working. We saw it in the first game between Aston Villa and Man City. But let's talk about this whole moment. It was chaotic. It's nice to know that it's not only in Africa where these kinds of things can have malfunctions. Just to say, technical issues happen everywhere. Now, I think that there were a few, games on practice. First off, I think that a handball could have been called in this particular instance as well. Offside, and it brings the question, right? If this was 7 years ago, that's given us a goal. If this is 7 years ago, that's given us a goal. Because it was bundled into the back of the net. The question then becomes, is VAR making things too technical? Because when the corner comes in, what's his name now? The man who Kekesh is onside. But because it takes a glance of Hoyson and thanks to Kekesh and eventually Kekesh puts it in, then he's offside. Now the question again, from my point of view, is VAR making football a bit too technical? Because that if this is happening so it's happening in the fifth round of the FA Cup. If this is happening in the final of the UEFA Champions League, and you're taking 7 minutes to dictate whether, because my player who was onside when the cross came in, got a little glance, the ball got a glance off of his teammate and touched him through no design of theirs, is offside. I feel like I would be feeling a lot hard done by, especially if that's a goal that could potentially win me a title. And what do you think? I really feel like we're being a bit too dramatic with things like this. I don't think that the semi-automated offside would catch that. I genuinely would have. I thought it was going to catch Pepe's offside, and that would be.
Well, I think that when the semi-automated offside recruitment was needed, it failed everybody. But however, like he said, I felt that's cool. I felt that Bournemouth would have felt after all the lengthy checks and all that. But the fact that it brushes off the hand of Pekes and found the ball into the back of the net. I thought they would have just, for me to go.
Okay,
It was
so
a decision.
let's all agree that it was a very, it was
Very,
yeah,
very
technical because I was completely pro or against.
So it's subjective. That's something. It's a subjective call.
We do know that Bournemouth dominated this game, right? In terms of the chances that they had, the goals they scored, and they had quite a number of times the ball went into the net. I'm assuming they should be doing this. But let's talk a little around what Wolves did in this game because while they are not the strongest in terms of personnel, they understood that all they had to do was play with the system. And let's get your thoughts on this one. There was a common sequence, right, where they played, and Bellingham was a very routine. You can tell this is something off the training pitch. Very good work, person. Let's talk about that chance and how they played it.
Yeah, like I said at the start of the game that they were going to choose their battle wise to set up pressure, but in situations like this where the set piece comes on board, Bellegarde had a great chance. Cunha with a very subtle delivery, like you said, it's a training ground and routine practice that Liverpool are also supposed to score recent between this situation, but again the delivery was good. They were expecting a cross into the box. That is the opposition. No, Bellegarde was outside of the penalty area. He receives it. But did he strike it superbly that you would expect? You would think so. Wasn't well struck. And then the Wolves.
Let's move a bit forward and talk about what Matheus Cunha has done in the first 45 minutes. Brown, you're jumping on this? Yeah, I just wanted to say, both from the free kick and from this cross, I feel like the manager for Wolves is probably thinking to himself, I wish Cunha could both cross the ball and be at the end of the road because his quality almost guarantees that those chances end up in the back of the net. He has been, doing his best to actually create angle. He's been at the center of every single attacking move that we've seen from Wolves. He's been the player that has been, in quotes, that's favorite word, the linchpin of Wolves' attack. I think that makes him a target because it's very simple. The funny thing is, listen to this match conference time and time again. Like their plan is always get the ball from one and get into the attacking third. Then we perform it.
Because I think it makes them not to have solutions. Like you said, he makes him a target. But because he's very smart, he's not fixed himself in one position. Like I said, he has that freedom to roam everywhere. Sometimes when he goes out to the center back of the sometimes playing as a winger. So because of that, the opponents are not able to track his rules. His rules are so phenomenal. But the fact that he's trying to reach it at the end of the pitch,
Very good.
which is the fluidity that we're talking about.
Very good. Now let's look at what the stars do. Yeah, to a large extent it does. 58% possession for Bournemouth. And like you mentioned, Bournemouth have been bossy. Kudos to Bournemouth. They actually have a better input conversion rate, obviously, than Wolves do manage to. Wolves have 4 of their shots have ended up not being on target from the goal attempts. But also, you've seen the Bournemouth goalkeeper Kepa Arrizabalaga make 2 very key saves. And those 2 key saves are the reason why currently Bournemouth are actually, Bournemouth are actually 1 goal up. Bournemouth can do better, they can be more clinical, they should be moving the ball quicker. I think Wolves need to come out a little bit more, but they've also got to be very cautious because Bournemouth have been very easily playing through their press and finding balls over the top into players like Semenyo and Belanos. And I'm very quickly sure Wolves to get back into the game and maybe qualify for the next one.
Well, I think he has to be the show manager. Look, get it to Cunha will create. When Cunha is creating, I'm expecting them to be on the same frequency, which is the wrong. As soon as he gets on the ball, someone has to move forward. Ramsey has been a bit quiet, isolated up front. He needs also to feed off the creation and proclivity of Matheus Cunha. You need to combine well, and Miller as well, who's a bit of the destroyer of the team. You need to come together and they're trying to get the goal.
Well, let's see if that magic will happen when the start of the second 45 minute comes. Let's head all the way back to the Vitality for a second. We'll return at full time to our course right here on Sporting TV.
Leading Tennessee, if that man's goal in the first half, amongst a few other incidents, mainly the lengthy delay while it will be Bournemouth to get this second half underway. So Bournemouth looking for swift revenge against Wolves after they defeated them in the Premier League here last weekend. Wolves will just be glad that they are still in the equation. Starting the second half, Mark Schwarzer. Yeah, I think they could have found themselves minimum 2-0 down at half time. Certainly because the Bournemouth fans had the ball at the back of there a couple of times. Certainly one of them was rightly ruled out for handball. I'm not quite sure that it was right. Yeah, it is what it is, and Wolves will feel like they've still got a chance this time. Here is Emma Nilsson. With a very speedy recovery from that fractured metatarsal. Wasn't expected to be back in action until around about April, the Brazilian. Chasing this one down as well. And Johnston's come a long way and it just held it up a minute, which made it awkward. Yeah, they thought it was going to come through a lot quicker than it did. It was just, in the end, kind of just bouncing along. It took ages to come down in the end later. Joe Gomez forwards. The misjudgment is by Hill. It will be a Wolves throw. Here's Santiago Bueno. Long key forwards, which actually might work out for them. Nelson Semedo's up there. Two former players close to him, and it's a pretty aimless ball in straight to Kepa. Could hear his loud shout that ball. Kepa was so confused at the end, the keeper had covered. Collected it. No dispute, leading ball defender again. Possession start again. Speed forwards for Wolves. Another pass looking for Cunha. Has it taken off its toes? It's a goal kick, much to that man's disappointment. Yeah, could have easily just dived in, got it around, and everything was perfect. Cunha then sort of weaved his magic and possibly got a penalty out of it. And yeah, it was nice defending for Bournemouth. James Hill just stayed up on his feet. Doesn't get something. Temptation to try and go through. Wolves have 6 wins in 13 matches under Vitor Pereira in all competitions. They only managed 3 in their first 18 this season. And a little taste of that winning feeling. Semenyo's working on nicely, and it's not lost his way. Giga with the challenge. Yeah, they come to Semenyo, hasn't it? Now a really good run from him. Nothing really, it's just a hit to quickly place the ball. He creates the space and plays strong there. Great position. Just can't get that first touch right. Brooks. Tavernier. He crosses deflected by Giga. Giga gets the cross. Okay, holds his ground. Makes a big one. Tavernier just can't beat it. Well, we've seen a corner from his side into almost a second Bournemouth goal. It'll be that link to the far stick once again. Alston is up there. Gomez. A bit of a squabble running on the goal line. Complaining about he seems to be the one that's grabbing hold of Brooks there. far post, whipped it in. Obviously no real sunny involved on this one.